Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to do that, we need to go to the settings, then go to notifications, and over here open Do Not Disturb. Here we can enable this mode, manually of course. We can also set up the schedule. We can decide what is allowed during Do Not Disturb. So we have calls and messages, app notifications, alarms and sounds. And we can also set up for how long we want to use the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you go to this specific setting and you set up for how long, then for instance you can set for 1 hour. So if I now enable Do Not Disturb, it will be on for 1 hour. And over here at the top you can read that Do Not Disturb will stay on until the 1 hour from now on. In addition to that, we can also open the quick access menu like so. And here we can also find Do Not Disturb. So if you swipe, you might be able to find Do Not Disturb. Mine is over here. In your case, it could be even on this first page over here. So you can press on this button in order to toggle Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.